NASA finds the objects eating galaxies. Something gigantic is dragging on everything and accelerating all galaxies, including our Milky Way, toward the unknown. Astronomers may have unearthed something more significant and stranger. Will this unknown force destroy the universe? Curious to know more? Now let's get deeper into this. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Let's start the video. With modern technology, astronomers can find things in space. This time we must look outside the Milky Way towards Centaurus. The Milky Way's disk of gas, dust, and stars blocks Earth's view on that side. Astronomers call it the zone of avoidance. That zone contains the Great Attractor. X-ray and radio astronomy allowed scientists to study the zone of avoidance. In the Virgo cluster, the Milky Way and Andromeda are heading toward the cluster's center. They head toward the Laniakea supercluster center. The Great Attractor attracts this giant cluster. Its estimated diameter is 300 million light-years, and its center is 147 million light-years from Earth. Behind the gas and dust, scientists uncovered the Norma cluster, a massive supercluster of galaxies. It weighs roughly 1,000 trillion solar masses. Later, clusters in the zone of avoidance, X-ray researchers found much fewer galaxies in the Great Attractor region than initially assumed. The Great Attractor was thought to weigh about 10 million billion times the Sun. Its mass was just 1/10 of the scientists' estimate. Malmquist bias caused the most visible galaxies in the region. Distance increases the number of things too dim to detect in space. Only the brightest things were visible. We incorrectly link such objects with closer portions of the sky. Thus, some locations appear to have denser galaxies. Therefore, the Great Attractor may be an illusion. It may be a region with more galaxies than usual, not a super attractor. The Great Attractor cannot attract nearby galaxies. What brings them to Laniakea supercluster's center? Scientists found a more robust gravitational structure while hunting for solutions. The Shapley supercluster, 650 million light-years from Earth, has 20 clusters with 8,000 galaxies. 10 million billion solar masses comprise this supercluster. The Milky Way's most giant formation is a billion light-years away. ESA's Planck satellite captured the unusual photographs of the center Shapley supercluster while searching for the oldest cosmic light. The most extensive pink patches depict two clusters of galaxies, Abell 3558 on the right and Abell 3562 on the left, and two smaller groups between them. Scientists modeled a structure opposite the Shapley supercluster. Astronomers found the dipole repeller, a low-density area. The Shapley supercluster's enormous gravity drives celestial bodies away from this location. Thus, the dipole repeller is likely matterless. The dipole repeller is also linked to the flow we witness because underdense portions of space repel matter while overdense ones attract. The finding of the massive supercluster Shapley has not resolved the gravitational web in the Great Attractor area. Professor Matthew Collis of the University of Australia believes part of the Milky Way's velocity still cannot be explained. The researcher calculated the gravitational pull of the Virgo cluster, Great Attractor, and Shapley supercluster, which didn't add up. Our galaxy should move 50 kilometers per second slower, 31 miles per second. Professor Collis attributes it to the unknown structure behind the Milky Way. Scientists may have found the Vela supercluster, 850 million light-years from Earth, are hidden by dust and gas. Huge cluster, 370 million light-years gross. It has 100,000 galaxies. Each has hundreds of billions of stars. The Milky Way's giant supercluster may be confirmed. The Vela supercluster's gravity may explain the Milky Way's speed discrepancy from the universe's expansion. Astronomers have analyzed 883 galaxies in the zone of avoidance, a third of which are new. The Australian Parkes Radio Telescope did the research. First, astronomers were able to detect 3 galaxy concentrations, NW1, NW2, NW3, and then 2 more clusters, CW1 and CW2. Each galaxy has 100 billion stars, so finding hundreds of galaxies behind ours implies uncovering a tremendous amount of mass astronomers didn't know about. Their gravity may alter nearby galaxies' speeds. Still, the riddle remains. The Milky Way still moves too fast. Scientists are still hunting for secret gravity sources and studying the Milky Way's and other local group galaxies' motions. Dark matter may be implicated. Its unseen clusters can draw galaxies like enormous matter formations, or galaxies may be accelerated by another hypothesized force of the universe, the dark flow. For the time being, we must accept that space is a vast unknown. Unfortunately, the majority of queries have no easy answers. Let us know if you want us to cover any additional strange occurrences in space. Leave a comment below and let us know. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done that. Put on the notifications because the next video is going to be a great one.